Are you tired of constantly being blocked or warned when visiting your favorite websites on Microsoft Edge? Today, I'll show you a simple way to add trusted sites on your Windows 11 PC so you can browse smoothly and securely. First, make sure you're on your Windows 11 desktop. Move your mouse to the bottom center of your screen and click the Start menu. In the search bar, type Internet Options and hit Enter. You might wonder why we're using Internet Options instead of Edge itself. Well, this tool manages security settings for multiple browsers, including Edge, giving you a consistent and safe browsing experience. Once the Internet Properties window opens, go to the Security tab at the top. Here, you'll see several icons representing different security zones. Click on Trusted Sites, then click the Sites button to open a smaller window where you can add the URLs you want Edge to recognize as safe. In the field labeled Add this website to the zone, type or paste your website's address, making sure to include HTTPS for secure connections. For example, http://example.com. After that, click Add, and you'll see your site appear in the list below. You can repeat this step for any other sites you want to include. Once you're done adding your trusted sites, click Close, and then click OK in the main Internet Properties window to save your changes. That's it. Your selected sites are now recognized as trusted in Microsoft Edge, giving you a smoother, safer browsing experience every time. Adding trusted sites is a quick and effective way to reduce unnecessary warnings and make your browsing faster and more secure. Give it a try and enjoy a worry-free experience online. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.